Hello viewers, once again aji laga video de be Los Angeles wildfire opore update kura nisna aro mokhan bra na jani gana thaka edu bi janai diule aji laga video logena aha first day janai dias hunai sabde Los Angeles jaga do hole ekdam wildfire de nohole dusra natural disaster de prone kura ekta jaga ase gona honiba ase this year ola nohoy 5 years to be major fire incident hole Los Angeles de take place kura honibas inago habra manu bisi bra chani thagise ki Los Angeles de wildfire do ola wala chance ase gona tahan sopra avia thagabe edu honibas hole bi avia hoigena kun bra bi action lona niki aru kun wad hole edu samando na hebo niki kuina phabana kura damde ekdam tango catastrophic wildfire olagena BC manukhange nuksan pongcha dia mohan sopra honias aro ko bogole 5 years de Los Angeles de January moina do hole rainy season ekta ase guna honiba ase hole bi this year de January moina de ekta single drop of pani bi gira nai ina go habra wildfire do ekdam chuli spread ho jagana destruction anadu mohan honiba ase Los Angeles de wildfire nola gide John Rogan brabi warn kora thakise
one day it goes it's just going to be the right wind and fire is going to start in the right place and it's going to burn through LA all the way to the ocean and there's not a thing we can do about it. He goes, we get lucky with the wind. He goes, but if the wind hits the wrong way, it's just going to burn straight through LA and there's not going to be a thing we can do about it.
Tai brain hogena ekta NASA climate scientist brabi warn kora ekta thakise
So I'm here because scientists are not being listened to. I'm willing to take a risk for this gorgeous planet. And we've been trying to warn you guys for so many decades that we're heading towards a fucking catastrophe. And we've been being ignored. The scientists in the world have been being ignored. And it's gotta stop. We're gonna lose everything. And we're not joking. We're not lying. We're not exaggerating. This is so bad, everyone. That we're willing to take this risk and more scientists and more people are going to start joining us. This is for all of the kids of the world, all the young people, all of the future people. This is so much bigger than any of us.
So viewers achi laga video de edu laga wildfire ke relate kurigina ekchun manu tala naam do hole Peter Kamlas tai laga story mohan janibo Peter Kamlas to hole etia moi video clip to olai dia NASA climate scientist ekchun ase to tai bra etu laga fire incident nola gide kinaga tai manu khan ke climate change opore warn kurigina thakise aro tai bra Los Angeles city to hole kile charigina jaise aro tai bra charigina cha bichre olop sal thagigina this year laga wildfire do ola thakise to ekdam interesting story mohan inaga hunigana jabo huna sabde Peter Kamlas pra tai 2006 year de graduate kurise inaga graduate kura bichite 2008 te post doctorate degree in astrophysics lobole Los Angeles city de aise Los Angeles city de aigana dai Aldatina street de niju khor bonagina thagise tai first day Los Angeles de ahadam de Los Angeles to hole paradise asne ki guna phapana kura ekta thagise climate iman phal weather iman phal picnic laga spot khan pisi niju pacha khan loi jagana park de nohole dusra sightseeing nimide cha do ekdam sundur inago hoa pra dai first day phapana kura do Los Angeles city to hole dunia de paradise ekta ase kuna phapana kura thagise alibi tai tate buhigna experience kurigna chadam de there was a rapid change in climatic condition climate to hole day by day pia hoija year by year pia hoija tai avia guna rakhise inago habra 2012 de dai actually gravitational waves laga scientist thagise holibi tai tate bra switch kurigna climate scientist nimide kam do NASA laga under de kam kurigna aise inaga rapid climatic change to take place kura dikhigina tai climate talks eduhan bisi kurise articles likhise climate app khuligina bisi manukhan ke aware gurule dise aro climate media group koigina takhan climate activists khan group form hoigina public manukhan ke climate change opore message to convey kurule try kura ekta thakise holebi akiru kwanisna bisi pak manu brado hunna nai bare aro hunnile bi kunbaru action loa nai bare aro kunbaru hole neglect kura khan bi thakibo bare puila bi ahe thakise aro this time ahele bi condemn no phat ani dibo guna bhabna kura bi thakise bare kunbaru hole so in the month of September 2020 day tai climatic change hoado alak heat wave aha nole ekdam korom hoado tai feel kurise enaka thaka homoy tai public khan bi aware gorule kosis kurise do itu laga moina dehi tai puhi thaka LTD na street laga foothill phale wildfire popcat fire gogena chui ola thakise edo popcat fire de pisu to destruction ani dia nai tile kole forest jula dam dehi do hole containment do ani bola parise holibi over a week edu laga smoke pra edu city do hole cover guna rakhise enaga thakadam de tai even lung disease ola thakise aro dusra manukhan be bisi breathing problems bima bra tahan enaga surf kura thakise enago ha bra Peter Kamlas bra agire tai ahadam de Los Angeles city do hole ekta paradise nisna feel kurise holebi climatic change dekhigina aro itu nisna natural catastrophic to ahole bisi chance ase bhabana gorigina Los Angeles city do hole ekta safe na guna bhabana gura ekta thakise to 2022 de tai laga family logina alak jaga de move out kura thakise to this time 2025 de edu laga incident monso pra dikhigina thaka wildfire incident olagina thaka honigina tai bra media khan ge koise ki moi hotai moi laga kuta logina cha kuta laga hospital do cholai dise kona honiba ase nohole tai ekta hardware dukan de hardware tools khan kinule chai thaka edu hardware store do chui bra cholai dise kona honiba ase nohole tai hotai visit kuri thaka museum bi chaise nohole coffee shop ekta kote climate activities khan lok paigena coffee khaigena discuss kuri thaka edu coffee shop bi chaise tai bra chari dia khorbi du hole kundu 14 years tai buhigina aise 2022 de tai alak jagare nacha ki de ekjun manu khan ke pekai digna rakha khorbi chuli jaise kona hona bra tai ekdam mon dukhwa aro even kanda bi kandigina tai social media de interview dia ekta thakise so viewers ajilaga video de moi bro kormon hodu hole Peter Kamlas prabe Los Angeles manukhan ke warn gora thakise climatic change to bisi rapidly hoi jai ase monsop avia hobo lagi goina warn gora tai bra paradak apps khan khuligina articles de nole seminar khan digina aro talks khan help kurigina tai bisi manukhan ke awareness develop kosis kurise to manukhan prai hona na neki nohile idia kwanisna hunile bi tahan action loana neki inaga hwa bra this time ekdam tangor wildfire olagena Los Angeles city de 27 manu mot hoise aro 4000 acres opore mathi cholai dise aro 50 billions worth kora saman khan do hole structures khan hole cholai dise idia takpi idu fire do hole containment na ana honiba ase aro ekta asurit do hole monsop pra asurit kha ekta ase wildfire ola do hole January 7 edu din do olaise edu din do ola do hole ekta jakari olai noy ek din de tinda jata jaga de ola thakise edu ekdam asurit manu bra cholaise na nohele electric wire de short circuit hoigena julisna nohele lightning bra cholai disna kobole na pare ekta etia tak solve koro na para edu mysteries ekta ase etia tak pid hole 100% containment de anane dusra fires khando parise holebi especially Palisades aro Eton fire do hole etia bi 100% de ananai ko gana honiba ase edu bra achi laga video de Los Angeles laga wildfire opore update kura nisna aro edu laga majode PC incidents khan alak stories kan bisi ase holibi edu laga wildfire ge relate kurigena Peter Kamlas kuntu NASA laga climate scientist ase tai brabi Los Angeles manukan ge warn kurigena thagise to last day tahan brabi iman du aware noha bradai alak city de move out kura bijde Los Angeles de wildfire ahigena tai bra chari dia khobi cholai dise aro iman tango destruction Los Angeles city de anidia aji laga video bra viewers kan anan ke share kuri dia ase thank you everyone for watching my video